Let's try to work this with a grid. In a clinical trial of new drug to treat a certain condition, 60% of the participants were given the new drug. So that would be 0.60 right here. Well, that means 40% got the placebo because we want this to be 100%. So at 40%, you know what that was. That's a 100% minus 60%. All right, what else do I know? Okay. Other participants who were given the new drug, so I'm in this first column, 2/3 showed improvement. So 2/3 of the ones given the new drug. Well, how many were given the new drug? 60%. So this is going to be 2/3 times 60 over 100, which is 60%. And let me see. 3 would go into 60 20 times. And 20 would go into 105 times. That's 2/5. And 2/5 is the same thing as 4/10, 0.4, so that's going to be 40%, 0.40. Well, if improved and took the drug is 40%, then it has to sum up to 60%. That means this is going to be 20%. I'm just filling out this. All right, what else do I know? 70% of the participants showed improvement. So this shows improvement is 0.7. That leads this to be 0.3. And we got 40% improvement in the first column for took the drug. Placebo then has to be 0.3. And that leads that to be 0.10. All right, so answer the question. The number of participants who were given the new drug and showed improvement. Number of participants who were given the new drug and showed improvement was 40%. Was how many times the number who given the drug and did not show improvement. Given the drug and did not show improvement was 20%, or 0.2, so that's 2 times. Now, 2 times the number who were given the drug and did not show improvement. And blank times the number who were not given the drug. Okay, number of participants who were given the new drug and showed improvement is 40%. Is how many times the number who were not given the new drug and did not show improvement. Did not get drug and did not improve. That is 10%. So that's 4 times for that second blank.